got you. What's going on? This is Mike Rich. I appreciate you tuning in to the Rich Standard Legacy Podcast. And this video is just a quick update on this prop firm documentary journey that I've been going and documenting to the world. And excuse the background, it might look a little crazy. We're moving in about 2 weeks. If you're one of my recent followers, I haven't posted in about 3 weeks because I went out of town for 2 weeks with the family to visit the family. Okay. So last year we was out of town for like a week, but this year we did 2 weeks that kind of gave it exactly what we needed. You know, we was needing to feel last year, what we wanted to feel last year on that trip, but 2 weeks did hit the mark for us, so it felt real good. I haven't posted in about 3 weeks because I went down there to surprise my mother, and I didn't want to give anything away in case she does watch some of my videos. I don't know. And so yeah, we're here. I'm gonna go over. I bought a new prop firm challenge. Go over what trades I took, what's going on in this account, give you a quick update on swing trades that I love to take, that I only take for primarily at this time for this documentary as well. And yeah, I don't think there's any other news really. We just got back a couple days ago. We're packing up like crazy. We got like close to 2 weeks to pack, and we're moving down to OKC. So bye Kansas. So let's go ahead and get into this prop firm and the trades that I'm already making in here. So we're in a crude oil trade here. All right, here's the weekly outlook. This move right here, if you've been watching some of my videos, this is exactly what I'm looking for. If you haven't looked at some of my videos, I'll go over it briefly. There are a lot of unfilled orders here. I've been looking at this buy opportunity since June, so almost 2 months. I'm gonna go down to the I've been looking here since June 2nd, right there on the bottom, June 2nd. So I'm gonna go over this outlook on why I took this trade here on US oil. So I have a daily support system right here. So what made me take this trade, it touched this daily zone here. Let me go ahead and go down to touch this daily support here. So let me go ahead and go down to the 4 hour and show you exactly why I took this trade. So as you can see, we had like a consolidation here before the breakout to continue up. All right. Because when this originally happened, I noticed this gap and I was wondering if price would come down for this gap, but price kind of stayed consistent where it was going here. So this is a daily support level. And you fast forward, it got respected, right? So price here penetrated it and bounced back in. So what I did was to catch this trade, put my stop loss on the lower lows here, and we're going to trail it up. Potentially what I'm looking for are these highs here. Potentially touch these highs. So it broke this high, broke that high, breaking this high here. But I'm looking to potentially touch this high here. I'm not really going to be in that trade that long because I only need a couple more $1,000 if it does go up to close out phase 1 in this challenge. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on in the account. Right now, it's about $7,800. And I think when it closed Friday, it was about, I'm gonna say 6,100 to 5,900 with the margin spreads. So price has continued to go up on a daily. So I can tell you it's right here. I have about $40 on US oil, $20 a trade. It's going to the account. So starting off in this account, I took two small trades for about $600 here. And these were both on the same day, I think, I closed them on the same day on August 12th. So these trades were closed here for August 12th, $600. So we took a minor trade, which eventually led to a bigger trade. So right now we're up, well, it says that, but we're up about $7,000 floating margins, and we need about like 4 or 5 more thousand to close phase one, so we continue on doing what we need to do. I bought this account, just like I said in the beginning, August 7th, and we're gonna keep pushing this thing forward. And yeah, let's see what's going on. So just to give a quick backstory, I have been waiting on buys since the 2nd of July. I've been waiting on these buys. Price been going, price been coming. It's just been tilted here with a lot of consolidation. Big move up, strong move down, right? And then once we lost that other account, next day it went up, but it happens. Things happen. You know, that type of stuff just happens in the game. You know, I can't control it. So this is a great support area that I actually do like, that I want to respect. Like this area here, moving forward, what my mistakes would have been here. I want to show y'all what I see here from the previous trades that I had lost. I wouldn't say I was chasing the market, but here I could have most definitely had stop loss below here in this area. If you don't know what I'm looking at, below here, this area right here, could have most definitely had that into play, but I didn't like the risk to reward at that time. So what I did was I had on the low. So this go around, it is what it is. I found another daily support and I put it down on the low. Right, real clean and simple trade. This morning, well, last night before I went to sleep, all I did was I put my stop loss above my entries right here, these 2 yellow marks, and I let the trade ride just in case something was to happen. But before I close this video, I do want to just spread some awareness for new traders in this market. Okay, last Friday was IPP, and a lot of traders did go through hell. I can tell. I seen some go through hell. I seen some hold trades for days and wiped out in a 4-hour candle. I just want to share my thoughts. So here on gold, as you can tell, price has been going and dropping, right? Some people probably caught these moves right here with the pullbacks, but 1 4-hour candle right here just took it all out. Right, another one. This is the one I seen a couple traders. I'm talking about a couple traders actually hit hell on this one. I seen traders here, like holding for a couple weeks. Boom, boom. You know, just thinking it's coming back down, thinking putting more entries here, and price just shoots back up. Right, and I can go through a couple more, but I'm not. Same things applies with GBPUSD. A straight downfall for one candlestick to push it back all the way up. And this isn't just no 1-hour candle. Well, this one is Euro USD as well, you know, but gold, it was like a boom, boom. It gave you a warning before it happened. But all I have to say is I'm happy that I was in a US oil trade that did not get impacted by news, and to say that you don't actually have to be in all of these different pairs at the same time, especially when news is hitting. Okay. And if you are, risk management is king, because no one knows what's going to happen in the market. So I just want to spread awareness to actually keep your risk together. And my main thing is, when I tell my students, or when I tell people in general that's interested in trading, only trade what you can explain. Okay. Back to me for a second. I know it's a lot of unfilled orders here. That's why I was trading it. The support did get respected before it broke out. I just didn't have my right stop loss here to benefit from the trade. Okay. But now I'm in a daily support zone, and we're benefiting from this play. All right. And I will move my stop loss when time comes to move the stop loss. I'm gonna refresh this page real quick. Be back at 7,900, and I want to continue to document these journeys and show you how swing trading really is as effective as I say it is, right? As you probably already know it is, but I'm trying to help younger traders or advanced traders build that patience on making money in the market. You don't have to make money every single day, but you need to make money within a consecutive amount of days. I've been in this trade for 2 weeks and it's damn near at $8,000. And that's really all I have to say. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are with the market, or if it's something that you want me to look over and I'm going over it. I'm gonna be more in tune with post announcements. We're back and we're getting packed, so I'm gonna be on the markets more than any of my other content. But yeah, Mike Rich, I appreciate you tuning in. We're standing out.